I'm a huge believer in memory foam neck pillows. I had a pain in my neck for probably about 3 years. I even went to a chiropractor, and it turned out it was actually just my pillow that was causing it. My neck was up too high. So this pillow, what I like about it is you can sleep on this end or this end. It really depends on the height that you want. This end is a little bit lower than this one. So depending on how big you are and the covers that you have, both of them are good. I love that it's just really nice and soft. You can see as I push my fingers down here, it pops right back up. The center here is sunken, and what that does, that helps kind of create it cradles your head in here, so it's really nice. And this material is super soft. It's almost like, I guess, a satin or silk feel. I really love it. I like the blue outline here, and against the white and the gray. And then what's also good too is this is actually a pillowcase. It is washable. It does have a zipper right here, so you can pull it out, throw it in the washing machine, and then of course put it back on. And then of course here is our memory foam right here. It's just, I just love these. This is great for whether you're a back sleeper or a side sleeper. Of course, you can put your hands along the side here, either way, or on the back. I actually do both. I end up turning a little bit at night, but this just makes it so much more comfortable for my neck. These make wonderful gifts, and I even take this when I go traveling. I do not want to use what the hotel has because this is so much better. Hope you found this review helpful.